Have you ever looked at oil painting effects and wish you could achieve them with acrylics? Today we're going to look at a couple of ways you can replicate some key oil paint effects using acrylic paints. If you've worked with acrylics before, you'll know that they basically come in two thicknesses or viscosities, standard and full-bodied. Your standard acrylic is quite smooth and thin and is noticeably runnier than oil paint when you use it directly from the tube. Full-bodied acrylics, like Montmartre Dimension acrylics, have a very thick consistency similar to oils, but because the paint dries so fast, they're not easy to blend. So let's take a look at some easy techniques to get our acrylics working and looking like oils. One of the great characteristics of oils is that they dry slowly. This allows you to create some of those beautiful tonal transitions that are harder to achieve with acrylics. To get around this, you can add a retarder to your acrylic paint. This will slow the natural drying rate, keeping the paint open for longer and allow you to blend your colours seamlessly. Impasto is the term for painting with thick paint. Paintings that have been painted in the impasto style have visible peaks, and you can see their brushstrokes stand out as features in the painting. Oil paint's consistency is perfect for this technique, but you'll find most acrylics are too thin. Using a full-bodied acrylic like Montmartre Dimension acrylics or adding an impasto medium is just the ticket to creating impasto techniques with standard acrylics. You might not know it, but you can convert your acrylic paint into an oil-based paint by adding water mixable linseed oil gel. This medium is designed for water mixable oil paints, but because it's water-based, it's also compatible with acrylics. Mix your gel into the paint and voila! It will dry at the same rate as an oil paint instead of an acrylic. This technique is really useful for those new pearl and glitter paints you see out there that are never introduced or available in oil paint ranges. Most finished oil paintings have a high gloss finish. This uniform gloss doesn't come directly from the paint because all oil paints have different gloss levels depending on their colour. To get around these inconsistencies, the artist places a layer of varnish over the painting once the paint has dried, creating a beautiful even glossy sheen. Getting your acrylics to look like this is as easy as laying a gloss finish over your painting to achieve that oil paint look. Well, I hope these techniques have given you some ideas to bring even more life into your acrylic masterpieces.